Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the tablet type and dose on the label. You must follow that prescription or package instructions. Once done, know when to take it, before meals to reduce acid or after meals to soothe, so timing matches the intended effect. Next, place the tablet on your tongue and swallow with 8-10 Oz of water. This helps dissolution and absorption. Make sure to avoid alcohol and grapefruit while dosing, because those can change how the drug works. You now focus on consistent dosing and careful monitoring. Take the tablet at the same interval each day, for example every 8-12 hours if directed, to maintain steady relief. While you take it, watch for common side effects such as mild nausea, headache, or skin changes, and record when they occur so you can report patterns. If you miss a dose, take it as soon as you remember unless the next dose is near, and make sure to never double up to catch up. You finish the prescribed course to ensure effectiveness. Stopping early can let symptoms return. Once completed, evaluate how you feel and report persistent pain or rebound symptoms to your clinician. If severe reactions, shortness of breath, swelling, or high fever, appear, stop the tablet immediately and seek emergency care. For common, mild problems like stomach upset, try taking the tablet with food, spacing doses differently.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.